This video shows how I made these sea glass fairy lights. To start with, I've got myself a set of LED lights, some multi-purpose glue and a good collection of sea glass. I'm using low output LED bulbs which don't get hot whilst running, and I've chosen bulbs with a flat head which makes it easier to glue the sea glass to the bulb. I'm not using shiny sharp edged bits of sea glass here. What I'm looking for are pieces like this which are well rounded and have an opaque surface to them. So to start with, I've wedged the lights between some magazines to keep them upright, and then I put a generous bead of glue on top of the bulb. Then I put some sea glass on top of the bulb, pressing it down and making sure it's balanced on top of the bulb. And here are the first few bulbs just drying now. They take about 15 minutes before they can be moved with the glue that I'm using. And here we are a bit further on with more bulbs glued and drying. You can see I've just used lots more magazines to hold more bulbs upright. If you're running low on clear sea glass, you can also use the common green and brown sea glass. Green sea glass should obviously be placed on green bulbs, and the brown sea glass can go well with red bulbs. Just turn the LED lights on so you know what colour the bulb is. And here is the finished set of lights.